In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter full view mode in TradingView, a handy feature that allows you to focus on specific charts without distractions. Whether you're getting deep into technical analysis or just want a clearer view, going full screen can make a big difference. There are two main ways you can enter full screen mode, using the icon or a keyboard shortcut. Let's start by looking at how to use the icon. First, make your way to the top right corner of the chart you want to expand. It's here that you'll find the full screen icon, which is designed to make your life a bit simpler. This icon looks like two diagonal arrows pointing away from each other. It's a fairly universal icon for expanding a view, so it should be easy to spot. A simple click on this icon will take you into full screen mode, instantly giving you a broader view of your data. Now, if you're someone who loves efficiency and prefers to use keyboard shortcuts, TradingView has you covered with a quick key combination. Begin by pressing and holding the Shift key on your keyboard. While you're yet holding down the Shift key, simply press the F key. This quick shortcut will immediately launch you into full screen mode on the chart you're viewing. It's a seamless method, especially if you find yourself toggling in and out of full screen mode frequently while working on multiple charts. But what if you need to exit full screen mode? No problem. An easy press of the ESC key on your keyboard will return you to your previous view, allowing you to switch back and forth with ease. For those using a multi-chart layout, this feature becomes even more practical. It's not uncommon to have several charts open at once when doing in-depth analysis, and sometimes you may want to focus on just one. No need to worry, there's a keyboard shortcut for maximizing just one of the charts within your layout. Simply use Alt plus Enter, or if you're working on a Mac, Option plus Enter. This shortcut will pull up the selected chart in full screen mode, making all the others temporarily disappear. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result by alt-clicking on the chart you want to zoom in on. This is particularly useful if you're switching focus frequently between charts and need to deeply analyze one without distraction. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to effectively use the full view mode in TradingView, either by clicking the icon or mastering a few keyboard shortcuts. Being able to control your view with such ease will enhance your experience, making your analysis more precise and focused. Whether you are pinpointing specific market trends or examining complex patterns, these tools are sure to streamline your workflow